Right now we're getting the GTX all masked off for paint. We're gonna paint the engine bay, do black epoxy on the inside, and then paint the trunk body color. So in the trunk will all be body color, and then the cabin area, we're just gonna seal it up with some black epoxy DPLV 90, body color on the engine bay. Now we've got the car all masked, everything's wiped down intact. We're going to put DPLV 90 on the inside, and then immediately when I'm done with that, I'm going to switch to DPLV 50 and seal the trunk of the engine bay, because this color needs a gray sealer, not a black sealer. DPLV 50 in the trunk, which is going to be body color, DP 90 in the cabin, and DP 50 in the engine bay. So when I start spraying color, I'm going to start towards the exhaust fan. That way my overspray won't melt into my wet base. Where if I start in the back, by the time I get to the front, I'll be spraying over top of dry overspray, and it'll look dirty, like gravel. So there we go, we've got our base down, R6 scorched red in the engine bay and in the trunk. I'm going to go to VC 5700 clear.